For this lesson, you are going to practice using the distributive property, combining like terms, and a combination of the two. Let's take a look at combining like terms. I've labeled all of the terms that have the same variable. So for example, I labeled all of my C terms or cheeseburgers with this cheesy orange color. I've labeled all of my hamburgers with this red outline because it reminds me of ketchup. I've labeled all of the fries with this squiggly yellow thing. And then I have the sodas labeled with a blue trapezoid. So if I look at my cheeseburgers, I have 2 plus another. If there's no number in front, it's a 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 4 more is 7. So I have 7 cheeseburgers altogether. Then for my hamburgers, I have 4 plus 4 more, which is 8. And for my french fries, 3 plus 2 is 5. And lastly, I just have these 6 sodas. Sometimes, though, there is subtraction, so we have to really pay attention. So for my cheeseburgers here, I have 3 plus 1, which is 4, plus 7, which is 11, but then minus 3. So 11 minus 3 is 10, 9, 8. 8. For my hamburgers, I have 7 minus 2, which is 5 hamburgers. And for my french fries, I have 4 plus 2, which is 6. Now we don't add these 3 things together because then we won't know how many of each item that we need. For the distributive property, you're able to click and drag these items to make a picture. The number outside of the parentheses tells you how many tables you have. So for this one, I have 3 tables. And at each of the 3 tables, we need 2 cheeseburgers and 3 fries. So at each of these tables, I have 2 cheeseburgers and 3 fries. Then I just count up how much I have altogether. So according to the picture, I have, for the cheeseburgers, 2, 4, 6. And for the french fries, I have 3, 6, 9. So this is my final answer. So for this one, I have 2 tables because there's a 2 in front. And then at each table is all of this stuff. A cheeseburger, 2 fries, and 3 sodas. So then I count up everything. I have 2 cheeseburgers and 4 fries and 6 sodas. Then we might have a combination of everything. So for this one, I have 2 tables. And at each of the tables, I have 2 cheeseburgers and 2 fries and a hamburger and a soda. But then I have some extra stuff. Somebody doesn't fit at the table. One of the people is eating fries and the other person has some 2 sodas. So I still look at the picture and I'm going to count up everything. Altogether, I have 2 cheeseburgers. 4 cheeseburgers, silly me. And I have 5 fries. 2 plus 2 plus this extra one, 5 fries. And 2 hamburgers, 1 from each table. And then 4 sodas, 1 at each table and the 2 extras.